मेरे दोस्तों, हम आपको अपने चैनल पे वेलकम एंड सत श्री अकाल कहते हैं।
Hello fellow collectors and welcome back to my channel for one more 1/6 scale action figure video. In this video we are about to unbox, review plus the personal top 5 poses for the 1/6 custom Aamir Khan. And for those from the Western civilization who doesn't know who this guy is, he is a very famous Indian actor. I tried to capture his appearance from the movie Dangal, and it's a very famous movie in India from Netflix India. Um, Aamir Khan has been awarded and honored from Indian and Chinese government. He is a very big guy in his country. As we all know, the industry of India in movie cinemas, it's massive. He is very famous in action movies, and I wanted to make a custom figure showing him his appearance in this movie, in particular the fight scene moment. This box, it's a custom box created by MF Collectibles, but I prefer having a figure in a box like this than in a plastic bag and carry it with nothing. This figure is available on eBay, link is down below. But now let's see what's inside. As you can see, there are foam layers protecting the figure and holding it, so it's strong enough for transportation. All the accessories and the figure together. Now let's take everything out of the box and have a closer look. The figure is coming with 4 pair of hands. Let's check one of those. It is very nicely painted. It has nice details, veins, nails, and it is from a rubbery material which is very helpful plugging in and out. Now let's have a look at the stand base, which is a very basic thing. It's a simple oval stand base with a name tab on it. Let's check now this chair. You may be wondering why did I include this chair in the box set. So I wanted to tell you that the guy did a very impressive body transformation in the movie, and the chair, we will go with these dumbbells sets, which are in this little case, and they are fully metal, very heavy. They are fully die cast, and these things are exactly copies of a real size dumbbells. And I will try now to take out of the set and assemble one double to show you how it looks like. It is amazing. It is all metal, and I thought that I had to put something to connect the body transformation this guy did to play and act in this movie. It is amazing. How did he change his body? I recommend you to try and see. This have been filmed like a documentary. Again, I think in the Netflix India. How did he change his body? So this is incredible. The details these things have. Look, it is actually exactly the same with a real size dumbbell. It's screwed like this. You can see it's metal, it feels metal, and it is really heavy. Look all the details, exactly 2 kilos here. It's a very, very nice piece. And it's two. It's a nice set. Now let's see the figure. Like I told you, I tried to catch the appearance of the fight scene he's having in this movie. It is a great movie, I recommend it as well. Let's have a look at the shoes. And they are like movie accurate, white sneakers. The trousers, very close to the movie, the color and the quality is very nice. He's wearing a very nice watch. Let's have a look at his shirt. This is as close as it could be in the movie. Let's see what's inside. His nice t-shirt, the movie accurate one, and I think the body is very close. You can check everything, all the details are there. Now let's have a look at the head sculpt. You can see all the details of him. The color is matching very nice with the neck, with the body color, the hair. I think for likeness it's very, very, very close, but you, my friends from India, you can write at the comments below if this is movie accurate or not. You know better. Now, this is a great figure, and I did this custom for the great people from India. I felt that I had to honor them. Now we will lay back, relax, and watch the top 5 poses.
मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, धड़कने छाती में जब दुबक जाती हैं, पीठ थप थपा उनको फिर जगह बात बन जाती है। बावले हाथी सी हर चुनौती है रे, सामने खड़ी घूर के पड़ी आंख दिखलाती है, तो आंख से उसकी आंख मिला के भिड़ जाने का नाम है प्यारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे। दंगल 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 दंगल, मजबूत भरोसा अपने सपनों पे करना, जितने मुंह उतनी बातें, गौर कितने सपनों पे करना आज लोगों की बारी, जो कहें कह लेने दे, तेरा भी दिन आएगा उस दिन हिसाब चुका के रहना। अरे भेड़ की हाहाकार के बदले शेर की एक दहाड़ है प्यारे। दंगल दंगल
That was my video. I hope you liked it. If you do, don't forget to show it to me. Subscribe and hit the notification button to help and support me create more videos. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you at the next one.
मेरी वीडियो देखने का इंतहाई शुक्रिया। मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए आप मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करें। आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
खाने का मौका जब भी किस्मत देती है, गिन के तैयारी के दिन तुझको मोहलत देती है, मांगती है लागत में तुझसे हर बूंद।